Malinaw, Aklan, Yero, CJD, Section Denmark. History of town. Malinaw, Aklan, known for its legacy to local hero Candido Iban and untouched natural wonders, is thriving municipality with a lot to offer. The people of Malinaw are mainly of Malay stock. If we are believed that the legends that now pass a legitimate history, the Aklanons are descendants of the settler who fled oppressive rule of Makatunaw, Sultan of Brunei, led by Dato Puti. 10 Datos settles in the plains of the island of Panay. The area of what is now Malinaw was a part of the adjustment of municipality of Banga. In 1917-92, the town authorities transferred the population of Banga across the Aklan River at the foot of Manduyog Hill, where it is presently located. Some prominent families decided to live in the old town, which was reduced to the status of barrio and named Malinaw, derived from the name of the placid river that traverses the western and southern portion of the area as it empties into the Aklan River. Significant people and heroes. Despite its seeming ordinariness and unimportance in the national or provincial scheme of things, Malinaw rose in prominence during the struggle against the colonial rule at the end of 19th century. Native of Liloan, Malinaw, Candido Iban was a member of the inner circle of the original Katipuneros, directly addressed Bonifacio. Candido Iban was the first overseas contract worker from Malinaw, diving for pearls in Australia. Malinaw is a fourth-class municipality in the province and part of the 2nd district of Aklan, Western Visayas, Philippines, with a total area of 71.82 square meters and with population of 28,627. Beyond its rich cultural heritage, Malinaw is a creative hub that blends local element of colors and texture and has grown into one of Aklan top producer of abaca fibers. The municipality of Malinaw is a rural town located in the province of Aklan, Philippines. Every year, the town celebrates its municipal and religious fiesta to honor its patron Saint Joseph the Worker. As an Aklanon, we are proud to our mother tongue and we always carry our linguistic uniqueness by saying Ruanwang Gagugagog Saguganyugan, meaning the Carabao is wallowing in the mud hole. The fiesta is a significant event for Malinawons and preparation begin in advance. The entire town comes alive with a flurry of activities. One of the hailed highlights of the occasion is the ever-famous Bigirahan Tug of War, which happens on the feast day of municipality. May 1, various teams showcase their competitive strength and teamwork against their opponents to win the fun competition. In addition, the religious aspect of fiesta also includes various cultural religious events. These events showcase the town's rich cultural heritage for the locals and visitors alike. This includes the first and high mass of Saint Joseph the Worker Parish Church on the day of the feast. The fiesta also provides an opportunity for the people of Malinaw to come together and celebrate their community through the program Alumni Homecoming of the high school and the municipality. It is a time when families and friends gather to catch up, share stories, and enjoy the festivities. Visitors are welcomed with open arms and treated to warm hospitality, making an unforgettable experience. Overall, the municipal and religious fiesta of Malinaw is a magnificent display of Filipino culture and tradition. It is a time to honor our town's patron, Saint Joseph the Worker, celebrate its cultural heritage, and come together as a community. Whether you are a local Malinawnon or a tourist, this occasion is a must-see event that is sure to leave a lasting impression, acclaims as magnificent Malinaw.